Okay, this is October 27th, 2024, and we are in the almost defunct Seminole Town Center Mall in Lake Mary, Sanford area in Florida. And guys, this is depressing. All of these stores are just gone. This is the state of our economy right now. I mean, all of this is just a sad state of affairs. This was a once bustling mall, very, very busy, and now there's probably, I would have to guess, only a few stores, maybe less than 10 that are open in this mall right now. There used to be a watch store or a jewelry store down here that we came in for to look at some watches. We had seen the watches at one time. Looks like Hot Topic is still open, and the Elevate game that used to be Sears. Now it's a game room. It's still open. It has an outside entrance. There is really nothing here. Nothing left open except a few stores. And just as I thought, the place with the watches used to be here, right? Wasn't it in where this green is?
Maybe.
That was the last time we were here. And they're not here. Yeah, I think it was right here. And this was a clothing store at one point where you could get custom tailored suits. But the last time we were here, which was probably 6 or 8 months ago, they had a bunch of watches there. And this is, everything is just closed. I remember there used to be, that was Macy's.
Yeah.
Right there was Macy's, upstairs and downstairs. And there used to be an embroidery shop down there where I got a few shirts embroidered. I can't even remember what else was here.
And the nail salon is gone.
Yep, the nail salon's gone. Well, I guess we're not going to find any watches today. Well, if you're new to my channel, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you like that concept, I would definitely appreciate a thumbs up, liking and subscribing, as it always does help out the channel. This mall is just something that I figured I would document. Came down here to check out some watches, but I heard some stories that the mall was actually in a sad state. I just didn't expect it to be this bad. Like I said, I was here about 6 or 8 months ago, and they did have at least a couple of places that had watches. And this is a weekend day. This is a Sunday, and this place used to be packed on a Sunday. This is just one wing of the mall. We're coming back around to the food court where we started filming over there. And the food court is in horrible shape as well. And if you are new to this channel, I also have Dave the Shoe Man on YouTube, where I review budget-friendly shoes for the everyman. We're not going to find any shoes in the mall today, so I was looking for watches and shoes for you guys, and Not gonna find anything in here. So this is just there's the food court. Not a soul in the food court. Signs even burned out. It's like a ghost town in here. I'm gonna guess we're probably one of maybe 25 people in this entire mall right now. This is where the Christmas tree used to go. Right in the middle of that square down there, there used to be a gigantic Christmas tree that probably almost touched the top of that bottom of that food court sign. And now it's just urban ruins, basically. Got Dick's Sporting Goods is still open. They might have some sneakers in there or some shoes. I don't know. This was obviously Bath and Body Works. They were a big store in this mall. They had a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff in two separate sections, and both of the sections are closed. Once again, the food court completely empty. This was the other section of Bath and Body Works, so they had two sections, the whole corner. And Dillard's is open down there, and Penny's is still open, but the rest of the mall, the ownership of this mall has changed hands twice in the last 10 months, I believe. Is that what it said on the news?
I think so.
Yeah. And that used to be Brookstone's. I bought a massage chair there years ago. This was, what was this one again? Oh, that Abercrombie, yeah, that's right. How you doing? Okay. There's another store. I can't remember what was down there. But yeah, basically I just figured I would document this for you guys so everybody could see the state of the Seminole town center in Florida, in between Daytona and Orlando. I'm guessing this mall's not going to be around for much longer. As most malls nowadays, that's right. And it's just kind of sad looking around. I mean, this was such a busy mall. What store was this? Oh, this was the Hallmark.
Yeah.
Hallmark store used to be here.
This was the Vision.
No, I think that Vision Works was over there. Yeah, they moved into their own standalone location, as did Lens Crafters. I used to come here and get glasses. But yeah, this was, I think this was Lids, wasn't it? Or no, this was Finish Line.
Shoes.
Yeah, it was shoes. Yeah. So no shoes today. There was also Rack Room Shoes, I think was right there.
Down there.
Actually, right there, I think it was.
No, it was downstairs.
Was it?
Yeah.
Well, they do have a menswear department still. So maybe I might be able to take a look at some shoes. But yeah, this was Vision Works. They just moved into another location. Might still be able to check out some watches and shoes at Dillard's for you guys. Okay, guys. Once again, I am Dave the Watchman on YouTube, where I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman, because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would definitely appreciate that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube. And if men's fashion is what brought you to my channel, please be sure to check out Dave the Shoe Man on YouTube, where I review budget-friendly shoes for the everyman, because I also don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune when it comes to footwear as well. And if you did like this video, I'd definitely appreciate that thumbs up. Once again, I know this video is not watch related, but this is what we found when we came out looking for more watches to review for the channel. So, hope you guys all have a great week.